Hello and welcome to another video session here at NAV SEAL. I'm delighted to see you again. Today I would like to talk about how you move inventory between locations in Business Central. There's different ways to move inventory. You can do a transfer order, you can do a Reclass Journal to kind of move the inventory. Of course you could create negative and positive adjustments, but don't do that. Use the reclass or use the transfer orders. Transfer orders, we have another video for that, so look for that. Transfer orders typically has a more, you could say, a better audit trail because there's a document. You actually create a document that transfers it from it, and you post it as shipment and you post it as a receipt when you receive it at the end, the warehouse where you're actually gonna ship it to. Now, if you just want to do a quick transfer between locations, you can use what is called a Reclass Journal. Let me show you. So in Business Central, let's look for our Reclass Journal. Here we go. It looks like an item journal, and it's basically doing more or less like you had an item journal. It will take something out of inventory or one location and put it into another location. The great thing about the Reclass Journal is that you can actually, it will do both transactions for you at the same time. Let's try and find an item here. Let's find the Paris guest chair. So you will see some new fields here. You will see there's something called a new location code. First, let's say, okay, we're going to transfer it from, and where we're going to transfer it to. Let's transfer something to East. And we're going to transfer 5. Now, the rest of the line, you don't have to fill that in, but here you can put in dimensions if you want to kind of change that part of the transaction as well. But let's focus on the inventory, the physical item, when we move that. So this is a very basic transaction. I'm going to move 5 guest chairs from our main location to our East location. Let's try and do it. Let's try and post it. So if I do that, successfully posted, that's a great beginning. Let's try and have a look at our items. And let's try and have a look at our Paris guest chair. And once we are in here, let's have a look at, where did it go? It's gonna be related to history, entries, ledger entries. Let's just maximize that. So let's see up here. So we have 2 transactions up here. And you can see with the same date that I used the document number, same item number. And do you see here, we have the second line down here. So that is the transaction that actually takes it out of our main location. And the next transaction is where it puts it into our East location. So you see, with one line in our Reclass Journal, we have made a transaction that takes it out of our main inventory and puts it into our East location where we want to receive this. And you can also see we're going to take the cost. We're going to take that out and we're going to put that into our another East location. So we keep track of the same costing information over there. So this is really, really very simple. That's what I wanted to show you today. Feel free to ask questions, make comments to the video. I'm happy to respond to it. And I'm really looking forward to next time to meet you for our next video session. Thanks a lot.
Thanks for watching this video from NAV SEAL. Check out more right here. NAV SEAL offer assistance and counsel on any existing solution. So if you're in need of assistance, don't hesitate to contact us on navseal.com or LinkedIn. Consider leaving a like and subscribe for more tips, news, and guides to anything Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central.